In this guide, I'll show you how to turn off crossplay on Apex Legends. So the first thing you want to do is press start on your controller, and we're going to go to settings. Now under gameplay, you do want to scroll down until you see cross-platform play. If you're on PS4, PS5, or PC, you will be able to toggle it on or off right here. Now do bear in mind when you do toggle this off, you're going to experience longer matchmaking times, and you may have higher ping. Now, if you're on Xbox and you want to turn off cross platform play, what you're going to have to do is go to the home menu, and then you want to go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. From general, scroll over and go to online safety and family, and privacy and online safety. Then go to Xbox privacy, and from here you want to go to view details and customize. Then go to communication and multiplayer, and here's where you'll have the ability to toggle it off. Now, do bear in mind, if you want to play crossplay on other games, you will have to come back and toggle this feature on. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.